Yo, it's the great LC, man.
My voice a little dried up. I just made out of Plainfield, Indiana. Whew. It's a nice little drive. Wasn't nothing too major though. I'm about to drop this load real quick, grab the other one, take it back to Chicago, and get the day situated for London. I don't got Las Vegas, so
It is what it is, man. Just help us celebrate our birthday, help her have a good little time, you know what I'm saying? Go about it that way. Y'all know I ain't gonna do too much talking, so I'm gonna get the video started. I can't even lie, my whole childhood I wanted a dirt bike or a four-wheeler, man. They never got me one. It was what it was. So when I got her one, you know, every kid think it's cool to pull off from school on their ATV or whatever. It's like the coolest thing ever, so I let her.
made it up there to the zoo. Waiting on London to get out the goddamn bathroom. See what's back there. Whose birthday is it today?
Mine.
Look at this over there. Dolphin of the reefs. What kind of rides are those? Never seen those before.
Yeah. No, it's better on that side.
You see the line? Look up. More, look up. Don't turn off from there. Look. See it right there? No, I don't see it. Hold on. Can you see it now? Look up.
It's going there with the lions? Alright, they're gonna bite you. I'm gonna have to leave you in there. Hey, he just a nut chilling. They gonna be lazy though. Think about the stuff that they eat. He just looked at you, Lauren. Boy, ain't think about it. I think he smells you, Lauren. Maybe he sees London.
Can we go there?
He sees you. He sees you. He seen your colors. He thought you was his baby. You look like you got like the lion fur.
But Dad,
Yes.
can we go there?
There you go.
There you go. There you go. Can we go?
Bring your head up, shorty.
There you go.
There you go.
Woo!
Oh no, we gonna catch him from down there.
Dad, this book on here.
Let's see if we go downstairs.
It's a seal. It's a fat seal.
That was a good video.
No,
Man, that was a good video I just got. Man, I think it's only like one in here. Yeah. You gotta start looking so bored, man. I don't appreciate that shit.
we're in the children's zoo right now.
Right here, London.
Otter. Come here, Otter. They're trying to show us tricks.
They were fighting with each other.
For a second, it looked like Good Deal was in there.
That's crazy.
Yes.
He trying to make the wood roll over.
This is me.
Look, they playing. Look. Right here. He grabbed him. What if he grabbed you and poured you on?
It's big. It's big though. Wait, it's 3 of them, Dad. 1, 2, and then 3.
Probably more than that.
And then 2 every 1, 2. And more.
Probably more.
That log is huge. Oh, otters are so cute. It's an otter right there. I see him.
Simba.
Look at the ceiling. It's a scorpion.
Remember the monkey made Simba on the tree? Come on, London.
Wait, baby.
Where's Lauren at? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, so we go see something else. Come on, y'all can play at the park or something another day. Sure did.
The monkey can jump too. And them Evie can splash in the water.
He's up there.
Oh, I see him. I see the big monkey.
Yes.
I think they're about
His
to
face
show
is getting red because you made him mad.
us. No, I think he's about
You
to
made
show
him
us
mad,
the
London. His face is red. You made him mad.
He's about to show us
You made him mad, London. You were smiling too much. You made him mad.
I wasn't smiling at all. Monkey. Monkey, here. Yeah, bro. What?
That boy big. That boy real big. Oh. London!
Rainbow! Rainbow!
London!
Rainbow! Look, Papa. It's the bear. It's the bear.
Get a better view of him. My boy. These animals pressed as hell.
It's not fake either, it's real.
It's in the water. Anything in the water? No, I don't see nothing in the
Oh my
water.
God, it's so still. It doesn't even look real.
It is.
Open his mouth.
Oh, it's
Told you it's not fake.
She said, excuse me, excuse me, say excuse me. Say excuse me. Go on the other side so you can see him. Come on, hurry up. Say excuse me. He actually call him fat. That's why he wiggled his ears. Be careful, man. There might be another one in there. All right, let's keep it moving. Come on. That's right. Oh, that look crazy, ain't it? Watch your fingers. They'll bite your fingers. Yeah, you got a fro. That's a brother. That's a brother right there. How many fish right here?
Like 1,000?
Maybe.
No, it's not that. It's some up there.
Fishies.
You gotta count these little baby fish down here too.
It's talking to
Careful,
us.
Lauren. Careful, Lauren.
Look, this one going really slow. Look, that one going going slow down, we're going slow down, we're going slow. Everything's slow. Daddy, help me.
That's big.
Right, Lauren. Come on, Lauren. Get in here. Get in here. Here, come on. Get in there with the zebra. Go in the zebra. Go, go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I just playing. It's just a dumpster and that's the garbage.
Let's
And
go,
man, I'm
Daddy.
trying to see the zebras.
Okay, let's go.
Man, they sure left their shit right there. They boo-boo right there by the tree. Yeah. It's nasty.
Let's go over here. Over there, okay.
Where?
Let's go then.
See the bird? The bird's not even scared of you. Where's the giraffe at? Is there something in that yard? That's the other side for the rhino. No. Don't worry about picking him up.
He's so funny.
Have fun. What about yourself? Have fun. Go. Come on. We're about to leave.
Bye-bye, Pingu.
Need that paint on the, need that color paint right there. We gotta leave, y'all. Hurry up, go get a little closer. We gotta go.
Bye, Zebra. Bye, Zebra.
Oh, it's two of them.
Where?
Look, you gotta use your eyes.
Oh, it's
Look at this one.
Oh, it's two of them. Yeah.
You see?
That one has more hair than the other one.
Downtown Chicago. The Drake. Hey, is that really Drake's spot? I think somebody lied to me.
You lied to yourself.
Yeah, alright, man. Let's zoom out. We're going too far. Alright, we just left the gym, man. I said the gym, the zoo. Probably about to go to the Cheesecake Factory. You know, I don't think you ever been to a Cheesecake Factory, London. They out there playing volleyball on the beach. Yeah. That's it, yeah. Top of the line cameras.
Lauren, you keep mocking me. Lauren, you keep mocking me. Lauren, you keep mocking me. Lauren, you keep mocking me.
Alright, man.
Either way.
Ryan, you keep mocking me.
Oh, watch your head. You hit your head on there? Oh, man. Let's see. Okay. Oh, man. He hit his head right there on the wood. Clumsy, boy. You gotta relax. You gotta relax, dude. You gotta relax. Stepping on my clothes. You're missing your birthday, twin, but how you feel overall about the birthday? Decent? First time at the Cheesecake Factory? You ready to eat? What did you get? Tell everybody what you got.
I got the what's it called? The grilled cheese sandwich with fries.
Huh? Ready to eat? Yeah, you're not ready for the bar yet, London. Go ahead and sit back down. You ain't ready for the bar. They got you stacked up.
Thank you.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, dear London. Happy birthday to you. How old am I? How old am
Cha, cha,
Many
cha.
more wishes to me. Many more wishes, many more wishes, many more wishes to me. Cha cha cha.
Cha cha cha.
Blow it.
Make a
Blow
wish,
it.
make a wish, make a wish.
Close your eyes and blow it.
London out here riding right now, man. I'm about to make it go to clean up and go to sleep, but it's her birthday, so she like going down there. It's like a little dip that go down. I'm gonna zoom back out though, cause it ain't that light source kind of poor out here right now. London's still out here riding for her birthday. She turned up.
Y'all better like, comment, subscribe. We getting lit.